Hey, here's an iPhone trick I bet you didn't know, number 81. According to this Forbes article, if you have your iCloud backup turned on, then Apple can read your text messages. I mentioned in the previous video that there's some pros and cons to turning this iCloud completely off. According to their study, if you just turn off the messages, you won't be able to see the history, but they'll still be on the iCloud backup. What they recommend is turning iCloud backup off completely. Myself, personally, I wouldn't want to do that. There are so many benefits to having your iCloud backup that by turning it off, yes, they can't read your text messages. However, you lose a lot of those features. I don't have anything to hide, and the reality is, if they've been reading my messages, they've been doing it for years. Probably most of the cell phone companies have. So that's a personal decision on your part whether you want that turned off or turned on. But I like all of the features of that iCloud backup. So I would really give that some serious thought before you turn it completely off. If you do want to turn it off, I'm going to walk you through the steps right now. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Settings, click on Apple ID, click on iCloud, click on iCloud Backup, and that is where you can shut it off. Once again, the decision is up to you. Hopefully you have enough information. As always, thanks for watching and make it a great day.